Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me a screenshot, and this is well, this is my drawing, but this is what he's got. He's got a grid. Whenever you have a grid, like especially, it's not the graph paper tool uh, or the table tool. This is a grid. So whenever you think about that, it just kind of, to me, without even thinking about it, it's going to be under view. That's going to be your view of that page. So just go to view, and right there is grid, and I've got it checked, document grid, and just uncheck it, and it'll go away. It's really rather annoying. I've yet to find a reason for it. If you zoom in, then the dots get bigger, and I don't think anything will snap to it, so you can't well, I guess it does. You could draw, yeah, it does snap to it. Well, no, it didn't, but maybe I just wasn't on the right. And see, I've actually got grid lines, and it's a little confusing. So when you don't need that or don't want that, view, grid, and uncheck it. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody, and him particularly, and thank you for watching.